Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. On this auspicious day of Ratha Saptami, I want to show a traditional method of performing Surya Namaskara with Bijaksharas and 12 names. Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Khaga Posha Hiranyagarbha Marichi Aditya Savitra Akka Bhaskarebhyo Namaha. These are the 12 names. There are 6 Bijaksharas which need to be joined together. Haram, Hirim, Hurum, Haraim, Haraum, Harahaha are the 6. So they go, whole of this time is a cycle. So Surya Namaskara is also a cycle. So it starts, breathe in. Om Hram Mitraya Namaha. Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha. Om Hrum Suryaya Namaha. Om Haraim Bhanave Namaha. Om Haraum Khagaya Namaha. Om Haraha Ushne Namaha. 6 are complete. We have completely came to the earth. Om Haraha Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Haraum Marichi Namaha. Om Haraim Adityaya Namaha. Om Hurum Savitre Namaha. Om Hrim Arkaya Namaha. Om Ram Bhaskaraya Namaha. This is a 12 posture, 12 Bijakshara and 12 name combination, which is a meditation, which is a pranayama, and which is also a body exercise. Yetat trigulidam japva yudheshu vijayishyasi. Om Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Khaga Posha Hiranyagarbha Marichi Aditya Savitriya Bhaskarebhyo Namaha. Wishing one and all a lot of health and wealth and happiness on this auspicious Ratha Saptami Surya Jayanti day. Swastika.